No, it's okay. Okay. So, not now, Dalga. Okay. So we need to start on a review. Oh, did I skip you, Dalga? Sorry. I don't know, Dalga. Okay, so we're going to start on a review, and I want you guys to start on it on your own, and then we'll go over it, and then it'll be time to take your test. Yep, it's time for a test again. Maybe. We'll have to see. Yeah, so now you're going to start your review. So what are you doing right now? Yeah, you can use your notes on the test too.
If you need the directions right to you, call me over. Choose the figure that is congruent to this figure. Congruent. What does congruent mean?
Same.
Same. Good. Okay. This one. Which is the line of symmetry?
Why are you nervous? What is this? We're not tonight.
It's our review.
Draw a line from each figure to a congruent figure below. So match them.
What do we get?
Okay, dog.
What?
But you can see me, that's that. Why do you shout?
Here's the situation we're in. There's like 16 kids and 2 of us. I'm going to get to you as soon as I can.
What do you do? Draw at least one line of symmetry in each figure. So review. The test will be after we go over the answers and the review. Good. And we can read it slow down. Jake says all rectangles are congruent. Is he correct? Explain your reasoning. Why? Yeah. All right, now Tiffany. You see, if you want, you can draw a picture of different size rectangles. Okay. Remember, which figure has more lines of symmetry? A triangle or a square?
You know how to do it, right?
So you just draw square.
But give me that, Bridget.
Bridget.
I used to take class.
Bridget.
Take class.
Okay, Maria.
Not take class.
Do you know how to fix this?
Take class.
Yeah. Okay, buddy. Line up to the picture. Who would like a calculator? Raise your hand if you want a calculator. Not now, Doggo. Sitting here, you sitting there. Did you want a calculator?
Find the area of some figures. Yep.
Would you have to?
Can I give that to Nika, move up, please. In your side seat, please. What? Didn't say Leah.
Yeah, you should.
Okay. Up to the.
Alright, buddy, where you at?
Smells better than anybody else in this world. Huh? Oh yeah, really, buddy? Probably that's the one time. What she used. Hey, what is it?
Good hair.
Now you use little squirt bottles or squirt it out. I got a question. Okay, buddy. Can I go in the hallway? Real quick. Oh! Gosh.
When people are talking too much, it's hard to learn. When people are walking around the room and not in their seat, it's hard to learn. No. Learning doesn't happen in the hallway.
Why does that person like coffee?
Wander around the room.
Yeah, there's a house.
Missy,
Stop lipstick.
I need help. Try at least one lane. You only need to try one. You can shove it down the
Could you smell it? What? You're looking at me first.
I looked over there because I seen somebody moving.
Not moved. Skinny. Coffee.
I think that's what it's meant to be.
There's nothing wrong with it.
You can see other shapes like that too.
I got one.
You got the answer? All right, write it down on the blank.
ruler.
Brianna and Leah, I can appreciate that.
We're not even talking about her. You don't have proof that I'm talking about her. We have no proof.
Whoever you're talking about, that's rude.
That's insane. Full moon? What's wrong with that? What is wrong with that? I'm just saying full moon.
I mean, you don't have to try to talk yourself out of it. I just don't appreciate it.
Well, we're not talking about okay. That's right. Did he even say?
No, I'm not ready.
I don't know.
There's something called a ping pong that's coming.
I totally
Okay, we're gonna go over the answers. Everybody ready?
No.
There is some kind of really
I was talking about someone.
Keep going, Jimmy. Keep going, Jimmy.
Okay, we're going over the answers now.
All teachers are doing it. So they are, keep going.
Okay, so number 1, it says choose the figure that is congruent to this figure. And who remembers what congruent means?
Same.
Same what?
Same.
Yep, good job, Tiffany. Same size, same shape. So we have a pentagon. Then which of these figures is the same size and same shape as this pentagon? Jackie. Yep, it's D. Number 2 says which is a line of symmetry?
The B.
What is it, Nico? B. Yep.
B.
Number 3 says draw a line from each figure to a congruent figure before
I know.
or below. So we have this first triangle. So, buddy, which shape would I draw a line to for this triangle? This one? So we'll draw a line here. And then for the arrow, Dolga, which of these is the same as this arrow? Yep, the second one. The next part says draw at least one line of symmetry in each figure. Number 5 is a star. Keegan, where did you draw your line of symmetry on number 5? Yep, that's how I would draw mine too, right down the middle, because then if we fold the star in half, both the sides match up. Number 6, Joseph, where did you draw your line on the moon? Across? Yep, because then if you fold the moon in half, its sides will match up. It's a half moon.
It's a half moon.
It's a blue.
Yeah. Number 7 says, Jake says all rectangles are congruent. Is he correct? Why? Why is it no, Dolga?
I don't know.
They're not congruent. Buddy, what did you tell me
Because the
earlier?
crackheads.
Crackhead,
Yep. Is everybody here, buddy?
I can't even hear what you said.
I said that they can't be all because they're different shapes, different sizes.
Yep. All rectangles, they be the same shape, but rectangles could be different sizes. So our answer would be no, because they can be different sizes.
I can only see it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, number 8 says which figure has more lines of symmetry, a triangle or a square? So I'm going to draw a triangle, and I'm going to draw a square.
Square.
And if I draw the line of symmetry in the triangle, there's just one. But if I draw it on the square, there's one that can go across and then one that can go up and down.
I would say low square.
Yeah. So the square has more lines of symmetry. Okay, number 9, it says find the perimeter of this figure. So we have a square, and on the top it says 4 yards. So then we'd know that each side would be 4.
16.
Tiffany. Yep, so our perimeter would be 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. Number 10 says find the area of this figure, and this one was kind of tricky.
Now, so we also have
Yes.
so like that's right.
Yeah. Okay, so the area of this trapezoid, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 whole boxes, so I'm going to write that here. And then these 2 boxes are each a half, and a half is 1. And then these 2 are each a half, and a half is 1. And then these 2, they're bigger, but they're not whole, so we're still counting them as half, and those would be 1 also. So we have 9 plus 3.
9 plus 3, that's easy.
Yep, Talga, you're right. So the area of this trapezoid would be 12.
I thought it's 12.
Okay, number 11, it says find the perimeter of each figure. Skylar, do you have the perimeter of the triangle? No? Bridget, do you have the perimeter of the triangle in number 11? Yep, because 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So it'd be 20 inches. Then number 12, we have a pentagon, and this side says 8 yards.
Wait, what's
The triangle is 20 inches. So this side is the pentagon is 8, so each other side would also be 8. And then we have 8 times 5. Joseph, what did you get for the, yep. The perimeter of the pentagon would be 40 yards. Number 13, Corbin. What did you get for the area number 13? Did you get that far? So we're just going to count them.
Mike, who was this one?
So we're going to count the boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area of this shape would be 6.
That's what I said.
Oh, sorry, Corbin, I couldn't hear you.
You can say the next one.
Number 14. Joseph, do you have the area of number 14?
I do.
No, don't say it.
Yeah. It's 6. 5. 5.
Yep, good job. It's 5.
I won. I go.
Number 15, it said draw a square with a perimeter of 8. And I should have wrote rectangle instead of square because it looks more like a rectangle when you draw it. So this would be our rectangle with a perimeter of 8 because it has 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, please start over.
Number 16, it says draw a square with an area of 6. So Nico, how would we draw something with an area of 6 on here?
I would have to say. I would have to say a pentagon.
Well, we're going to draw a square, so we need 6 boxes. So this is how I would do it. So we're just going to draw 6 boxes. And then we have a square with an area of 6, but it looks more like a rectangle.
Look at you.
Okay, are we ready to move on? Abdul, you should be in your seat. Number 17. Number 17, it says Jim is putting a fence around his garden, and here's his garden. Sorry. So here's his garden. This side is 10. So this side is also going to be 10. And then the long side across the bottom is 20. And this 20 should be the same up here, except we have a 5-foot opening so you can walk into the garden.
5 plus 10.
So to get the length of this side,
45.
Should.
Nico, just ignore it. So to find the length of the top side, we're going to subtract 5 from 20. So 20 minus 5 is 15.
What?
So this side would be 15. And then we have to find the perimeter to find how much fencing we'll need. So we'll add 15 and 10 and 10 and 20. We have 5 and 5. So it would be 55 feet of fencing that he would need. Okay, Does everybody have that one? Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna pass out the test now, since we're done with the review. Did anybody hear me? Yep. Okay, me and Miss Marwa are gonna pass out the test now. So once you get your first pass up your review sheets. Thanks, Joseph. And you once you get your test, you should be quiet. And you can also use your notes on your test.
Yeah, I told you that.
I'm gonna do it.
We have to change the song. She's starting dancing.
Too much right.
Yeah, I'm going to sing the song before she starts dancing. God damn it! I can't sing one good song before she starts. She's going to start dancing one at a time.
We're testing. We should be quiet so everyone can focus.
What? And I like this song.
Anna, you need to get started on your test. You're not distracting here.
Seriously.
Get started on your test.
Don't be that distracted.
All right, your test is ready. That means there's no talking during this test.
No.
Because we don't know if you're cheating or talking to someone. But no talking.